pizza. And before we start, guys, make sure you give a big thumbs up, turn on notifications, and subscribe so you can see more awesome videos. And if you subscribe, that helps the channel so much. And thank you guys for 30 subscribers. Hey, guys, you saw it. Okay, let's get started. So he's gonna make a pizza, and I'm gonna make pizza. So guys, the ingredients we have is sauce, mushrooms, and pepperoni and cheese. And we have some juices over here, just in case we get thirsty. Yeah, let's just open it. So here is mine. My food. And here is his. Well, he's opening his juice. Oh, so I'm gonna put it here for now. Hope it doesn't fall. I'm putting it right here for now. I don't want it to fall. Okay. Okay, guys, so we'll start off with sauce. Okay. Sauce. And this. Sauce. Okay, guys, so we gotta be careful with sauce because there's a lot of sauce in it. Don't you guys see how much sauce? We have a lot of sauce. So I'm gonna put a little bit of sauce. Not so much, because I don't like sauce. And after me is Anthony. He's gonna put some. Careful. Oh yeah, guys, when you make pizzas, make sure you guys wash your hands. Because we want these pizzas to stay clean. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit because I want it to be too dry. Okay. Here you go, dude. Okay,
Bro, you call me bro.
You want me to go and bro here. You can mix it up.
Or you call me bro.
Okay, so while he's doing that, I'm gonna open my
It's going so far so good.
Guys, comment down below what's your favorite juice.
We have a whole bunch right there in the cabinet.
My favorite one is strawberry.
My favorite one is...
Don't touch his
That was super close.
He got it first.
I know! Why did you tell them? That's so embarrassing of it.
Okay,
Let me
guys.
go get a wipe.
Hand her back. So guys, while he's going to go wipe his pants off, I'm going to put some cheese on mine. Cheese all the way back here. Gosh. I'm going to take a handful of the cheese. All of mine. Oh my God. Ew. And when Anthony fell, when that fell, it was kind of pretty disgusting. Guys, do you like eating sauce by yourself? So my brother likes eating sauce by himself. Let's go wash your hands again. He's gonna go wash his hands. Okay, so this is my pizza. I'm gonna go put some cheese on his because it might take me a long time. Ah, the cheese is falling. He doesn't like a lot of cheese, so I'm gonna put that much. I'm just gonna put my hand again. Okay, guys. So while we're waiting for Anthony, let's talk about our 30 subscribers. So guys, thank you so much for our 30 subscribers. We're trying to hit 500 subscribers. So if we hit 500 subscribers, we're going to do the ice bucket challenge, and that's going to be crazy. So guys, make sure we hit 500 subscribers. That's our goal. Oh my God, he didn't stop. Let Shelby. She said, can I come in? Can I come in, please? Please, hello. Hello, Hannah. Oh my God, Shelby. She can't come in right now because it's very wet and her feet might be muddy.
Hey, thanks for the...
So now, guys, I'm going to be adding the pepperoni and my mushrooms. You're going to be adding, well, you're going to add more stuff.
I'm gonna add all the stuff that we have.
Okay.
Except for the mushroom. I don't like it.
He doesn't like mushrooms. Don't.
I'm gonna make my homemade pizza. When this tooth comes out, I'm gonna eat it. It might come out today.
Guys, when my tooth came out, my first tooth, I was actually kind of scared because it's scary when you lose teeth. You're like, oh my God, what is happening? So I'm adding my mushrooms. I love mushrooms, guys. Do you guys like mushrooms? I really love them.
Guys, I think 3 or 2 of my tooths came out.
Oh, his tooth came out when he was like 4. Now 4 or 5.
Okay,
So
so
much. You only want one. Oh.
And then put it on. Then it's cheese.
Ew.
Stinky. It's totally stinky just because
It's yummy. It's yummy that
it's
way.
very stinky too. Well, it smells.
It's also stinky too.
Hey, what's this?
I don't know if this is spoiled, but it smells good.
It's good, guys. Don't I'm just
Okay.
He doesn't like the smell of it.
Oh. Yeah, I have to put my whole hand in it. Stinks some. I'm trying. Oh
Oh my god. Oh, that tastes good.
It's so yummy. Let me go wash my hands again.
Oh, it's so hard, guys. Because Anthony, he's like,
I laughed so hard that I was shocked.
okay. So we're gonna cook this one. Oh my god. So guys, we'll be cooking this one. And yeah, we'll come back to you guys in a little bit. We're gonna make our other pizza. Oh yeah, guys, on the last round, we're gonna be making a silly pizza. Silly. I'm excited for that round.
I also use the bathroom.
Okay, you gotta tell them the business. Use the bathroom.
I use the bathroom, but I don't want to tell you that.
Okay, guys, I come back to you guys. We're gonna put it on the little planter.
Okay.
Bye. We'll put his on flags.
No thanks, son. Move that.
Let's get these.
Oh no, this is so yummy. I just want to eat it right now.
I know, right? You guys should try to use peanut butter. I recommend to use peanut butter because peanut butter actually has like a softer. Hey guys, we're back. We got our sardines. We got sardines. We got pickles. We got a cheese stick.
Oh my god.
What should we do? Oh my god, guys. So our first ingredient is gonna be cheese, this sauce, and the cheese. Then what else? Okay, so I'm actually excited to make this thing.
Oh my god, guys. I think I got mine. I think I got it.
Guys, these sardines smell. They're so sticky.
Those sardines are sneaky.
Yeah. I wonder who eats those sardines. Who eats them?
I eat sardines.
I eat them when they're cooked. So I'm excited.
Okay, Liam did pretty good on the pizza thing.
And guys, we got utensils to pick up the sardines because we're so scared our hands are gonna smell like sardines for a week. Ooh, it's a mushroom. I don't know if you could eat raw mushrooms.
Okay, guys. I can't reach this over there.
So, then,
Okay, let's put it. Okay. I was just gonna put it right there.
okay, guys, so we're gonna add our cheese, and then we're gonna go to the crazy ingredients. You could add your own cheese, right? Yum, yum, yum. Yum. Got it. Queen. Okay.
What did I put? Do you want this cheese?
You doesn't see, guys. I told you he doesn't like a lot of cheese.
Well, I was gonna do it a little different.
Okay, guys. So. Oh.
Ugh.
Ew! It's sticking to each other.
Ew.
Oh, bro.
Ew.
Yeah, you can get your own sardine.
Okay, go give me the things.
Guys, I need help.
Guys, this is.
I want to actually try by itself.
Oh no. I will
It's
not.
like a fish.
I just broke its tail.
How did you break it?
Like, can you pick up for me?
Okay, fine.
Oh, it's okay, Leah. You're only gonna do one for me, okay? Only just do one for me. Yeah. That is so low. Okay, just one. Okay.
Look at us.
That's nice. That's nice.
Okay, passing the.
I didn't want to get it. Wait, I want to.
Let me try. Let me get it.
I Actually, never mind.
Yeah, let's try a little piece. Try a little piece. You eat it. You don't like this. It's actually tastes like this fish.
Oh my god, this skin.
I read that saying who likes sardines. I really not people.
Oh, I don't really like eating fish because it's nervous. Oh, I don't like fishes.
Come on.
She does.
I like
I
it.
don't.
I'm not too hummy.
What else?
Don't fall in your pizza. Good. Sorry. Oh, I got 3 in a row.
Hey, you're like, oh wait, I do wanted to add some pepperoni, so.
Do you know sardines have bones?
Hey,
This has a bone.
let's just add to
Like this.
So guys, look at this. This is the spine of the sardine. Look,
That's fine.
what's a spine? Like that's your backbone? Oh! How did that? How did chicken get in my head? Oh my god!
I don't want to see the
Okay, so guys,
That was such a squirt.
guys, I think I'm done.
Well, I'm going to take all the bones on my sardines.
Why? Guys, be careful you choke on these because I actually choke on these before.
Chuck a lot. Sardine?
I choked on, yeah. I choked on sardine.
The bones are so soft. Actually, I want to eat them. Well, I'm going to eat the bone.
I forgot about my tooth.
I'm going to add the bone. I think I'm good.
My pizza's
Okay, we have
string
string
cheese.
cheese.
Yeah.
We got string cheese too.
Let's just take this little stinky cheese.
Chingari. Chum. Chum. Cheese. Ah, okay. Guys, do you know how sugar got in here? 'Cause I didn't.
She's never here.
Okay, guys. Well, are you gonna add some of these too?
What's that? Oh, yeah, whatever. I like it. Did you add some other? I guess you did. This looks very gross. to me.
Sardine looks so weird.
Let's just put one more.
I actually feel like I would like the sardine on pizza.
Not
So
me,
I'm gonna
not
add-
me. I don't
I'm
think so.
I'm gonna add a little more than I thought I was gonna add.
They put so much
I'm
cheese.
experimenting with this sardine. I don't know what it is.
Guys, I think it will taste the same because there's actually more cheese on here. I thought it would be.
Okay, guys, so we're done. We're gonna put it on the tray and then put it in the oven.
Okay.
I put it because I want it to be next to mine. And help me out there. That's a very light pizza. This is so light. Okay, guys, so we're gonna put it in the oven and I'll see you guys in a second. Bye. My mom's here to see. Okay, guys, so I'm just checking on it to see if the pizza is done. It looks like there's a little more time to be done. So let's close it. Okay, guys, so the pizza are ready. We're gonna try them. So our first pizza we're gonna try is the one that is not the soy pizza. So I'm gonna which one's on my soy pizza? Oh, right here. That's your soy. That's not your soy pizza. Okay. Let's get a slice.
Oh, this is my chili pizza.
I don't get the regular one. You don't want to get the soy pizza. Now, guys, when we try our pizza,
With the sardines.
it's good. I like it. Now we try our soy pizza. I'm gonna try my soy pizzas. Sardine just goes in it. I like the pizza. Interesting. So guys, before we end this video, make sure you guys give this a big thumbs up, subscribe so you can see more of our awesome videos. Make sure you subscribe because I help the channel. Love you guys.